Thank you for trusting Budgeto for your financial forecast and budgeting needs. This is where success finds you. Let's enter an example of an employee together. For this example, I am entering an employee who will be hired as a salesperson. First, I am adding my employee to my sales department. Note, you can always add your own unique departments by clicking on the plus icon here and then adding your name. Next, I am entering salesperson as the job title, then the employee's name. So for this example, I'm going to use John Doe. Hiring month will be January 2022. Termination month is not expected yet, so we will leave it blank as never. Their salary will be $50,000 per year. Note, if you only have an hourly wage, you can use this calculator tool found here to calculate the hourly wage on a yearly basis. So for example, $23 an hour, 40 hours a week gives us $47,840. Next, I need to enter the wage costs. This is directly related to your employee contribution percentage. You can change the default rate by clicking on the Change Default Rate button here, and then add in what you need. For this example, I will keep it 12.5%. Next, I'm expecting a 2% annual inflation starting in January of 2023. For the hypothesis, I will enter the comment to be hired in January 2022. Next, navigate to the salary schedule below. Here you'll see all your salary costs per month for the next 5 years filled out automatically. You can always enter any cell directly and change the numbers, and you can also change the percentages of inflation found here. The calculations will always be done automatically. Remember to click Save when finished. If you are budgeting for employees that have not been hired yet, so therefore you do not know their name, you can enter a temporary name here. So for example, new hire 1 or new hire 2 or employee name 1, employee name 2. Save your entry and then come back and edit your entry once you know the name of the person you are hiring. If you have multiple employees with similar descriptions, use the Save and Copy function here to make a copy of your current employee record and then make minor modifications where you see fit. This is useful if you have similar employees with different names or just a different hiring date, salary, etc. This way you do not have to enter each and every employee one at a time. If we navigate back to the Employees menu, you can find a list of all your employees entered here. If you go to the Quick Edit menu, you can make minor modifications where you see fit. And if ever you want to go directly back into the forms, you can click on the pencil icon found here, or you can go into yearly or monthly and then click on the name here. Click on the Help drawer found on the right to access multiple articles and videos related to this menu. If you click on an article, you will be brought to our knowledge base where you can find many helpful tips, tricks, and explanations along with screenshots and sometimes videos as well to help you in your budgeting journey. Thank you for trusting Budgeto. We are excited to be part of your budgeting journey.